Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Yo, Lucas, give me a beat. All right, I got my dot. I got my sheet. Together, that's how we beat.
Okay,
Yeah.
that was just not good. I regret giving you that beat. Go to the announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!